Hi guys, this is Ka and Katie speaking here. It has been a while since we have been doing some videos. We have been in the lockdown here in Spain for almost 2 months, and we live right now in a tiny house here. And we have received so many questions, so we thought we make a little room tour here in our tiny house where we live with our 6 children. And in that idea, we realized, man, we need to clean this space. It is just messy. But to be authentic and real, we thought, man, we start this vlog showing you the real life chaotic situation we have right now. And now everybody, all the family sitting here, we're gonna clean. Let's see how this goes. All right, here we go. Let's clean. Woo. Wurscht, wir räumen jetzt einfach hier auf.
Guck da. Ronja, guck mal, die Kleidung könntest du noch. Und das hier.
Das hier, die Ecke, ja. Man muss auch noch irgendwie ein bisschen verräumen. So, we're getting sorted, bit by bit. We're getting there, guys. We're getting there. Joa is separating all the papers from the kids. This is trash. This is what we're gonna keep. Trash, keep.
Die hatte nicht getan. Guck mal, Mama.
Ich glaube, ich mache es unter die Abflusskissen, dass es gleich groß aussieht.
Jetzt trampeln nicht rum, wir haben alles schön glatt gemacht.
Ja, geh da runter.
Luna, komm, jetzt machen wir noch das Bett hier schön, ha?
Du könntest auch mal mich in den Jaro filmen, wie wir hier ganz arg aufräumen.
Ja, ihr beiden. So.
Papa?
Ja.
Papa? Kannst du mal zeigen, was ich aufgeräumt habe?
Ja, was willst du denn zeigen? Zeig mal, was hast denn du aufgeräumt?
Mit den Gläsern.
Ach so, zeig mal. Luna hat den mit Gläser aufgeräumt. Die meinst du? Ja. Da benutzen wir übrigens extra so, das sind so, wie sagt man denn dazu, so Aufstrich, hohe Aufstrich. Let me explain to you. We are using these glasses.
Chickpeas and
These are actually empty glasses from coconut butter, and these are empty glasses we use instead of these cups, because when those cups they fall down, it's not as. These are glasses we bought in the shop. There's like coconut. All right, guys. We are done with cleaning the tiny house, so we'd like to show you around. Huh? Everything done?
yes.
Yes. All right, let's go. Let's have a look here. I mean, we didn't clean it 100%, just as good as we could. You can see, I mean, there's still linens here, they're drying right now from the cleaning. But let's just go in and have a look. Okay.
Hallo. Hi.
All right. Oh, what a welcome here. All right. So this is basically our living, sleeping area, I'd say. Benny and Yao are sleeping here. Ronja is sleeping here on this bed. Katie's sleeping on this bed with Sophia and sometimes Luna. And I'm sleeping here with Joa and sometimes Luna as well. Luna is going back and forth a little. We have a stove here, an oven, I guess. A fireplace. We have a fireplace here. When it sometimes it's a little cold in the morning and in the evening, so we have the option to make a little fire. This is the important. So Luna, what is all here? What is on the table here? What all the important things? Maybe you can point. You can point with your finger. So what is here?
Das hier sind die Stifte.
Yeah, the pencils.
Hier sind einfach Bastelsachen und solche bunten Papiere.
Okay.
Hier sind die Papiere.
There's papers here. And we have a scissor and we have some books here, some learning materials. So this is the space for the kids here. I don't know if there is much more to say in regards to our living. Oh, maybe this shelf here. This is where we have all of our electronic stuff in the family. You can see we have like 3 MacBooks. We have we have an old ThinkPad, a Lenovo ThinkPad. We have some iPads. We have a battery pack for charging iPhones. We have here our thing that makes noise. Speaker. It's an external speaker. Yeah, I mean that's it. Yeah, that's our electronic devices here in the house. What am I missing, Joa?
They are sleeping on, yeah?
Joa's reminding me that Ronja is sleeping here on this bed together with her Coco. This Coco, huh? Hello, Coco. Coco, and this is Benny's Trixie.
Was als Lego ist.
Yeah, exactly. And here over there is our little pharmacy. Thank you, Jaro, for making some room.
I don't think you call it pharmacy in English.
Yeah, maybe. I mean, this is our pocket pharmacy. This is how we would translate it directly from German into English. It's like our mobile pharmacy we're taking with us. It's mostly essential oils. Katie has a lot of essential oils. We have also some supplements, some vitamin B12, vitamin C. Yeah, Luna?
Kannst du den Mond dann auch
Yes, and Luna wants, of course, to share with you that she has this moon. Her name is Luna, Moon, and her dream catcher up there. So we take this everywhere we go, her moon and her dream catcher. And here, Luna, what is this? Maybe you want to explain to our people? Yeah, what is?
Das ist Lego von mir und Joa.
This is Lego from you and Joa. I see. What kind of Lego is that?
Lego Friends.
Lego Friends is it called? I see.
Und irgendwelches Lego mit Rollen.
Ah, okay. Yeah, so, I mean, that's the living room here in the tiny house. And then maybe this here you saw already Sophia playing with us. This is our Duplo.
Hier gibt's Menschen, Kinder, Tiere und Fahrzeuge.
Mhm. Alles Mögliche, gell?
Und Häuser. Guck, hier ist mein kleines Haus.
Ach ja.
Mit einer Blume oben drauf.
Oh. Okay. 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 Now let's move into the kitchen. Luna already showed that before, that this is our celery and fennel. We juice celery every morning, and we do this already since a couple of years. So we changed the wild herb juices, exchanged those juices with fresh celery juice because we really feel good with it. So anyways, this is the juice. We have some more fresh produce here in the corner. I mean, it's also a tiny kitchen,
Und
but it
wir haben
works.
einen Kalender.
Yeah, and what is, you have a calendar here. So what is this calendar all about?
Die Ronja.
Ronja's first, okay, in a couple of days. How many days is till Ronja's birthday? Wie viele Tage sind es denn?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. 18.
18 days till Ronja has birthday. Who's next then? Who's then?
Die Sophia.
Sophia.
1, 2, 3, 4, 11, 12, 28.
28 days, 28 Tage. I see. Wow.
Als nächstes habe ich Geburtstag.
And then it's you. Yeah. So this is the birthday calendar of the
Und
kids.
dann der Joa.
And then it's Joa's turn. Yes. Okay. Now you also get an idea you get an idea about our kitchen. It looks pretty clean right now. I mean, a next vlog could be. It never looks usually that clean, or just maybe in the evening because we clean it in the evening. But today it's really clean. We have some food here on the stove. So if you're interested, that would be another vlog about what we eat during a day. Please leave a comment down below, and then we can share with you. If you have some interest, we can share with you what we eat in a day in another vlog. Today you can see we have a big salad here. We have some peas and some potatoes and tofu here.
Papa,
That's it. Yeah?
wir haben auch Weizen.
Ah yeah, exactly. And then thank you, Luna, for this. We are also growing our own wheatgrass since a while. And you can see we just started a new batch here. Usually we trying to grow new culture every like 2 to 3 days. So we always have something ripe. Don't have to wait until something is really ripe. Okay, so I think that's that in the kitchen. Did I miss anything, Katie?
The bathroom.
Ah yeah, okay. Then we have the bathroom as well. I don't have see that we can tell you too much about the bathroom. Just a tiny small bathroom with our tub here and the toothpaste, toothbrush. I have the shower here, the toilet here. It's nice and tiny. Did I talk already about the shelves here? No, I didn't. So this is the messy part. Actually, I also didn't tell you about this. So this room divider, I don't know how you would call it. This is something what we, in the evening, we put between our beds. So Katie's laying here with Sophia. I'm here laying before the smaller ones sleep with Luna and Joa. And to have a little separation or little privacy so Sophia can go better to sleep, we have this room separator. I think you don't call it that way, but maybe you understand what I mean. This thing goes in between the beds, and during the day we have it here. So this is still messy. We didn't clean behind here, but you have to see that we are 8 people, and all the things we own actually fit into this shelf here on the back side. So each person has a shelf, or sometimes you have half a shelf and you share a shelf with 2 people. Yeah, that's where we have all our clothes. Here we have our shoes. We even have some rollerblades here in our jackets. And that's...
Can I say something about the shoes?
Yes, the shoes.
That we normally don't have so many shoes. We just have we normally have 1 pair of shoes each.
Yeah, and why do we have so many now?
Now we have more shoes because went to the gym, so they need closed shoes.
Ja, Sneakers.
Sneakers.
Ja. Haben wir jetzt irgendwas noch oder haben wir an alles gedacht?
Eigentlich.
Hm?
Eigentlich. Nein, draußen.
Draußen noch? Was müssen wir draußen noch zeigen?
Die Pflanzen.
Alright guys, I think, as I said, it's a tiny house, so there's not so much we can share with you. But that's that. If you enjoyed this video, please leave us a thumbs up. We'll be seeing you sooner or later. Again, comments you have to leave at the Sundancefamily fan page. I link it down below, the post where we can exchange comments and feedback. Yeah. Love you guys. Gonna be seeing you soon. Bye bye. Let's say bye bye everybody. See you. Bye.